Hi, this is your astrological forecast for Wednesday, August the 18th. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. We are going to get started by becoming balanced and aligned and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the toxicity, all the negativity and darkness. It's all leaving our bodies, flowing out to wherever it came from. In its place, we are being filled by this beautiful white light that not only fills our entire bodies with white light, but goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we are going to say the Leo affirmation. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. We're going to say the affirmation together, and we're going to stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for just 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. Yay, awesome, awesome. Always feels good for that little time out. Works anytime, night or day. Well, you guys, first of all, I want to start today off telling you about an opposition last week where you could bite off more than you could chew with Jupiter and Mars. Well, so I had kept talking about doing this whole video on retrograde planets, all of them this season. I mean, Pluto went retrograde, I think back in, I should know this by heart, April, and Uranus is the last big guy who goes retrograde tomorrow on the 19th. And I thought, we keep talking about the retrograde planets, we're talking about the skeletons in the closet. I need to have a whole video just dedicated to that. Well, did I bite off more than I could chew or what? Oh my gosh, you guys, so much information. I did get it done. I have to be honest with you. It's over a half hour long. It's going to come out tomorrow at noon. You're going to have to schedule a pee break just to get through the video. But it is chock full of information. And because of that, I am also going to put out another video in the next couple of days that just focuses on Uranus retrograde, because that goes retrograde tomorrow, the 19th, and it stays retrograde until I think January. So just to let you know, that's out, that's in the works. Well, today is a great get it done day. We've got the moon in Capricorn. Moon in Capricorn does not mess around. We want things organized, stable, groundedness. We want structure. We are working long term. We're not into this instant gratification stuff today. And along with that great moon in Capricorn energy, as long as we don't get pessimistic because we're overwhelmed with too many things to do, we also have Mars and, wait a minute, yeah, Mars and Mercury conjunct in Virgo. I knew that, but then I was like, oop, blank. Mars and Mercury are conjunct in Virgo. If that's not productive energy, nothing is. What a great day to focus on the task, get our details, get our strategy, do what we need to do to make whatever it is we're working on successful and productive and efficient. Today is the day to get it done. Now, gotta always say, especially with that Virgo energy, it could default into expecting a lot out of other people, well, and even out of ourselves too. We can get ourselves stuck, especially like I was saying, getting overwhelmed with so many things to do, so many things on our plate that we just can't move forward. So if we're in that space, just take one thing, one simple thing. One simple thing, sweep the floor, run the vacuum cleaner, and then something else will then do one more thing, balance the checkbook, do one more thing. And then you'll see, if we just take little pieces at a time, we'll be able to get everything done that we need to. What a great day, like I said, to be productive. As long as we don't get into that critical, judgmental part where people are trying to work with us and we are very critical of what they're offering and what they're giving us. It's not good enough for us, really. Come on, guys, we can work with it. We can work with it. We can all work together. So, anyway, great day, very productive, as long as we're focused. I mean, we can blow it off. The energy is there just to be so pessimistic, so overwhelmed. You know, why do anything? My brother Eeyore, why do anything? It's not gonna matter. Oh boy, it's just one more thing. I'll never get caught up. The Eeyore energy. Don't go there. Don't go there. Get it done. Get it done today. All right. Message from the universe. Observer. Well, when we're working with the other today, remember to come out of our personality, out of our egos today, and be objective. Like I said, let's not get critical, judgmental. Let's not go into whatever interaction we're having on an emotional level. Let's keep it objective so that we can work together for a better solution than what we could come up all by ourselves. It's always better to work together. Again, be fair, allow the other's opinion, allow the other's input, allow the other to help and assist. People may want to help us clean up our mess if we're overwhelmed and help us get it done, but here we are, well, you know, I don't really like the way they sweep the floor. I sweep horizontally, they sweep vertically. Come on, again, allow other people to support us and allow other people's opinions and their input. Again, honoring it, even though we may not agree with wherever they're coming from. Finally, we are blessed, aren't we? And today, let's take a moment, let's take lots of moments and open up the gratitude channels. Today, we are going to be thankful that we have a home, that we have a job, whatever we have, and we are going to be grateful for this opportunity that we're working with others today, coming up with a new solution. We're thankful that we have to be diplomatic, that we have to work on consensus building. So it's all about that, but I'm going to tell you what, when we are grateful, when we acknowledge the blessings in our lives. Oh my, more and more just show up. It's like you open the floodgates, and the way to open the floodgates of blessings is to be grateful. So have a great Wednesday. We're halfway through. Get it done. Get your work done today. Stay focused. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do my daily inspirational messages there. Also, I do have the Sun in Virgo monthly forecast out. So check the monthly forecasts for the Sun in Virgo. We have the planetary season video coming out tomorrow at Thursday at noon, and then on Sunday at 6 a.m. will be the 15-minute guided meditation for the Sun in Virgo. Awesome stuff coming up. Thank you for joining me today. Remember the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. Happy Wednesday. Happy Hump Day. Namaste.